And I will say this, every single question in this booklet is kind of geared towards exam type questions. So if you want to work through this systematically and try one after the other, I would strongly recommend that. Very, very strongly. Okay? Okay, so you're 45 and you start an RSP. What is RSP? Registered Retirement Savings Plan. Anything with an R in front of it is registered retirement savings plan. As a mutual fund through an advisor, you have an initial deposit of 600, and then you make additional 55 deposits every week for 25 years until you're 70. The investment earns 4.1% compounded quarterly. Okay? So we'll figure this out. NI, PV, PMT. Okay, so let's fill this in real quick. 25 years times whatever PY is. Present value is $600. My payment, deposits that is, will be $55 minus as well. Future value is what we're trying to figure out. PY, it's weekly, correct? So it's 52. Compounding is quarterly. So you've got your 4. And so don't forget, you got to go 25 years times PY. So you got to make sure you don't miss that, because then you're way off. Okay? You're going to be way off if you forget that. And that is, if you solve for that, you get $125,896.25. I put a dollar sign on it, and if I circle it, that would be enough for the province. You're clearly indicating which one answers the question. Out of the future value, how much of it is interest? How much of it is principal? There are various ways of determining this, just making a note. Okay, just so that you understand, this money is not all your money, right? Some of it is due to the interest that has been accumulated over time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the interest. Interest that I've earned. What's 26 times 52? 1,300, yeah. What is that? 4. It's just a test. It's not an AC, it's just a test. Okay. All right. 1 to 1,300. So if you figure that out, you get this. 53,000. Just pay attention until the bell goes, okay, please? 53,000 of the money that you have in your account is interest, which means the rest is yours, okay? So principal is just going to be future value minus the interest that you've earned. Quite often future value is replaced with which letter, guys? A. It's normally A. It's like how much you have. So you go 125,896.25 minus 53,796.52. So you kind of have to copy this down rather quickly. So you take that away, the rest is yours. 72,100. How else could you have determined this here? I'm just going to show you on my calculator. You could have gone 1,300 payments, right? Times 55. And then you add the $600 that you put in right from the beginning. So that's another way of getting your principal, okay? So 7,200 is the same. This is the part that I really want to get to before the bell goes. NI. Stay with me, stay with me. It's like a scene where somebody's trying to revive the other person. Stay with me, stay with me. Don't go. Okay. So we're assuming that the compounding stays the same and the interest rate stays the same. But it says here you decide to retire and you would like to start withdrawing money. That is important too. That's how this is different. How much will you be able to withdraw bi-weekly if you want the funds to last until you're 85? So if it's bi-weekly, then this is 52. You're going to obviously run out of money at some point. And how much will I be able to withdraw? That's my payment. Present value is what, folks? 125, 896, 25. Negative. Make sure you get your signs right. It's negative. So N, how do we find N? From 70 to 85, that's how many years? Yes, I'm going to show the work here. Otherwise, you're going to wonder where I got the 15 from. Times 52, that is, yes, it's, what is it? 780? Yes. 780, yeah, that sounds right. So when you solve for the payment, do you have that answer already? Because I made this one brand new for you guys. 780. $280. Not a whole lot, right? $280 a week, though, a week, right? So times 4, that's about 1,000, a little over 1,000 a month. Guys, listen to this. The homework is whatever pages I post for this, okay? The key will tell you the pages that I'm suggesting.